Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Lynyrd Skynyrd shirts for men are probably one of the most iconic pieces of apparel a true fan can own, allowing you to showcase your love for Southern rock legends with pride and style, whether you're heading to a concert, a casual hangout, or just want to add a touch of rock and roll flair to your everyday wardrobe. These shirts offer a timeless way to connect with the music and legacy of Lynyrd Skynyrd. Number 5. LA Pop Art Men's T-Shirt, Free Bird Lyrics. Introducing a unique t-shirt from LA Pop Art. Express your love for iconic music with this special design. This shirt features the legendary lyrics to Free Bird. It's a perfect way to showcase your appreciation for classic rock. The design uses creative word art to display the song's powerful words. It's a stylish and meaningful addition to your wardrobe. Crafted for comfort and style, this is a must-have for any music enthusiast. It's designed for a great fit. This officially licensed product ensures authenticity. You're getting a genuine piece of music memorabilia. What we like. This shirt features a unique artistic representation of the iconic Free Bird lyrics. If you're a true fan who appreciates creative design and licensed memorabilia, this is a must-have. It's perfect for showcasing your love for the song in a stylish, conversation-starting way. What people say. After 3 washes the dark blue is still deep. Fit great on all of us. The best quality t-shirt. Number 4. Hardaddy Men's Vintage Bowling Shirt. Embrace a classic retro vibe with this vintage-inspired bowling shirt. Its timeless design brings a touch of nostalgia to your wardrobe. Perfect for warm weather, this short-sleeve shirt offers a relaxed and breathable fit. Stay comfortable and stylish all summer long. Featuring eye-catching Hawaiian-inspired prints, this shirt adds a pop of color and personality to any outfit. It's ideal for beach days or casual outings. This button-down shirt is designed for ultimate comfort and ease. Dress it up or down for a laid-back yet put-together look. Experience the authentic charm of vintage fashion with this unique piece. It's a versatile addition that stands out from the crowd. Whether you're heading to the beach or a casual get-together, this shirt is your perfect companion. Enjoy its stylish design and comfortable feel. What we like. Embrace a retro vibe with this vintage-inspired bowling shirt. Its short sleeves and Hawaiian print make it ideal for warm weather and casual outings. If you're looking for a relaxed yet stylish option for beach trips or summer gatherings, this piece offers a cool, laid-back aesthetic. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really make the design pop. It holds up well after multiple washes, maintaining its shape and color without fading. Number 3. Lynyrd Skynyrd Free Bird T-Shirt. Celebrate the legendary sound of Lynyrd Skynyrd. This t-shirt features iconic designs inspired by their greatest hits. Embrace the spirit of Free Bird with this classic tee. It's a perfect way to show your love for timeless rock anthems. Feel the nostalgia of Tuesdays Gone every time you wear it. This shirt captures the essence of a bygone era. Channel your inner, simple man with this comfortable and stylish t-shirt. It's designed for everyday wear and lasting appeal. This isn't just a t-shirt, it's a statement. Wear your passion for Lynyrd Skynyrd's music proudly. For the ultimate fan, this t-shirt is a must-have. It's the perfect addition to any rock music collection. What we like. Showcase your appreciation for Lynyrd Skynyrd with this classic tee featuring multiple song titles. Its simple and clean design makes it versatile for everyday wear. If you prefer understated band merchandise that still makes a statement, this is an excellent choice for casual concerts or just hanging out. What people say. Very good quality shirt that just happens to have my 3 favorite songs on it. Great quality and soft fabric and the size is perfect. I have washed a few times and still no shrinkage. Absolutely love the design. So awesome. Number 2. Liquid Blue Men's Pink Floyd Breathe T-Shirt. Embrace the iconic sound of Pink Floyd with this classic t-shirt. It's designed for ultimate comfort and style, perfect for any music lover. Featuring a bold graphic inspired by the legendary band, this tee lets you wear your musical passion. It's a statement piece for your casual wardrobe. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt feels as good as it looks. The soft fabric ensures you can wear it all day long. Its short sleeve design makes it ideal for warmer weather or layering. Stay cool and stylish no matter the occasion. A must-have for any Pink Floyd enthusiast. Show your appreciation for their timeless music with this unique apparel. From Liquid Blue, a brand known for its quality band merchandise. You can trust in the durability and design of this t-shirt. What we like. Dive into a unique visual experience with this psychedelic-themed t-shirt. The Breathe design offers a distinctive artistic flair. If you appreciate bold graphics and comfortable, soft fabric for a relaxed fit, this shirt is a great pick for expressing your individual style. What people say. Good design, good weight, and doesn't fade after washing. Liquid Blue shirts, great quality, great color and good fit. I have 6 or 7 of their shirts. I have not been disappointed by how well the colors wear. Fading has been very minimal and even after 3 or 4 years of use. The colors are still vibrant. Always bright detailed colors, have a few of them psychedelic trippy my go-to design. Number 1. Lynyrd Skynyrd Free Bird Skull 1973 t-shirt. Embrace the spirit of rock and roll with this legendary tee. It's a tribute to a timeless classic, perfect for any music enthusiast. Featuring the iconic Free Bird Skull graphic from 1973, this shirt captures the essence of an era. Wear a piece of music history. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt feels as good as it looks. Made with high-quality materials for lasting wear. Let your love for music shine through. This tee is more than just apparel, it's a statement of your passion. Don't miss out on this essential piece for any fan. It's the perfect way to celebrate your favorite band and their iconic song. What we like. Make a statement with this bold t-shirt featuring the iconic Free Bird Skull graphic and a 1973 vintage feel. It's designed for fans who want to showcase their allegiance with a powerful image. If you're looking for a standout piece that embodies the spirit of the band's early days, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Good quality subtle graphics 100% cotton. It's true to size. This shirt is very soft, durable, and has a great image. It has been washed well over 30 times on hot, and it has minimal fading on the image as well as the color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.